Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna lettuce wraps. First, let's gather our simple, fresh ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of tuna, thoroughly drained, along with crisp lettuce leaves like butter or romaine. We'll also use mayonnaise, finely diced celery, and a bit of red onion. Don't forget essential seasonings such as salt, pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. This quick meal is perfect for any day. Now, let's create our flavorful tuna filling. In a medium-sized bowl, gently flake the 2 cans of well-drained tuna. Next, add about 1 stalk of finely diced celery for a lovely crunch and approximately 1/4 cup of minced red onion for a subtle bite. Stir in 2 generous tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. Finally, season with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a refreshing squeeze of lemon juice. Mix everything until well combined. With your delicious tuna salad ready, it's time to assemble these fresh wraps. First, ensure your chosen lettuce leaves are thoroughly washed and patted dry. Take about 1/4 cup of the tuna salad and spoon it onto the wider stem end of each lettuce leaf. Gently fold in the sides, then roll the leaf from the stem end to create a neat, portable wrap. You should be able to make 4 to 6 satisfying wraps. Your homemade tuna lettuce wraps are now ready to enjoy. For the freshest taste, serve them immediately. You can add a touch of elegance by garnishing with some fresh dill or a light sprinkle of paprika. These versatile wraps make a fantastic light lunch or a quick, healthy dinner. If you have any leftover tuna salad, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.